Hello friends, my name is Uday and I welcome you to this video. Do you know that the term SIP is very popular but is not well understood by many? To highlight what I'm saying, the number of mutual fund SIP accounts in India stood at 3 crore 14 lakhs. The total amount collected through SIP during the month of April 2020 was 8,376 crores. Even though these figures seem huge, many people have a misconception that SIP is an investment instrument. Today's video will focus about explaining what SIP means and its benefits. If you feel the video is informative, do like and subscribe. Click on the bell icon. Share the video with your friends. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment box. Do give your valuable feedback and suggestions. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It is one of the means of investing in mutual funds in a regular and disciplined manner. Remember, it is not an investing instrument. The method of investing is similar to your investment in a recurring deposit with a bank, where you deposit a fixed sum of money every month. The difference is that with SIP, your money is deployed in an open-ended mutual fund scheme, whether it be equity, debt, or hybrid scheme as per your choice. In case of SIP, you need to choose a specific date based on interval that you plan to invest and an amount that he or she is comfortable with. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, or on a quarterly basis. After this, a predetermined amount as per your instruction is debited from your bank account on a specific date and invested in the mutual fund scheme. This investment amount can be as low as rupees 500 per installment. The tenure for SIP is 6 months to perpetuity. Today, some asset management companies or AMCs or mutual fund houses provide the ease and convenience of transacting online. They have set up their own online transaction platforms where one can do an SIP investments by following the procedure as made available on the websites. So you have fewer hassles while investing as well as tracking your investment dates. Let's now understand the benefits of SIP. Ease of achieving long-term goals. With natural progression, your financial needs increase day by day. These are your financial goals like retirement, child education, etc. Your savings are not of much help in these cases. SIP helps you achieve financial goals with a plan and method to execute. With small investment in SIP, every person can ease the burden of financial goals by investing in mutual funds. SIP works like a drop that fills a bucket over time. If you follow the right discipline and ensure that you don't miss SIP installment, it can help you turn your financial dream into a reality. As easy as it sounds, the monthly investment amounts for SIPs are equally easy and comfortable for most of the individuals. Disciplined saving. When you start exercising, you do not get fit in one day. You will start seeing benefits day by day. Over a period of time, you'll become healthy and have a fit body. SIP allows you to install the habit of saving and helps build your financial health. Unlike other investment modes that are manually handled by investors on a monthly basis, SIPs are automatic and do not need any further interference from the investor once the installment amount, tenor of the plan, and date of the deposit have been set. So apart from maintaining the balance of one's bank account, investors are not required to worry about anything else. This in turn inculcates discipline while adding comfort to mutual fund investments. Power of compounding. The power of compounding works by growing your wealth exponentially. That is the precise reason you should start SIP when you are young so that you can give longer time for your investments to grow. Because SIPs are inherently by nature long-term investments, they allow you to exploit the magic of compounding. Flexibility. SIPs are specifically designed to attract more and more investors towards mutual funds. Most of us do not have a large sum to invest at one go. You can start gradually and increase the SIP amount as you start to earn more. Today, systematic investment plan can be initiated for as low as a monthly deposit of rupees 500, going up to as much amount as an investor can manage. Furthermore, the process of purchasing, continuing, and redeeming has been made easier by advancement of internet banking and technology. Rupee cost averaging. Let's try to understand this concept in detail. It is nearly impossible to predict the circumstances when the market reaches its high peak or a low trough. Majority of the investors are often stuck between choosing one market cycle from another, which is why they are sooner discouraged from making an investment. You can invest in SIP without really worrying about the market move, as the money is automatically invested in a mutual fund regularly. Since you invested a fixed amount at a set frequency, irrespective of the market movements, you reduce the market volatility risk drastically over the investment horizon. So when the market falls, you buy more units at a lesser price, and conversely, if the market trends higher, lesser units are bought. As you invest at regular intervals, you get an opportunity to invest at different market levels. The concept is called rupee cost averaging, thereby averaging one's final investment by the end of the tenor, and in a way helps reduce the average cost of investments. In this example, for instance, Mr. X invests 15,000 every month in a mutual fund starting from August 2019 via SIP in an equity mutual fund named ABC Fund. As the investments were at regular interval, after few months he accumulated approximately 922 units. Note that when the market falls, you buy more units at a lesser price, which is March 2020 in this case, and conversely, if the market trends higher, which is November 2019, lesser units are bought. If you feel the video has helped you understand the concept of SIP, do like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment box. Do give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you.